here we are representing our mini project on Soviet robotic vacuum cleaner. We have named it as SVC 073. 073 stands for the intensity of pressure this project is making, and remaining part of the project will be explained by my friend.
Yeah, when the word vacuum cleaner comes into the mind, the first thing which strikes the mind is that where is the vacuum cleared? The fan. The fan is situated at the rack of the main model, which serves as a prerequisite unit for the vacuum creation, and the suction pressure can be calculated by the Bernoulli's equation by applying it on either side of the fan, and the suction is created in this part of the cabin, and it runs through throughout the cabin, and it creates and it brings all the dust, and the dust which is collected here gets sucked in, and we also provide the wet liners inside the cabin so that anything coming into the cabin gets attached to it, and whenever things get saturated, it can be removed and replaced by another one, or it can be cleaned and replaced. And the construction part will be explained by.
Hi, good evening, sir. And these are robot, and now I am going to explain the construction principle of our robot. And here we have used different materials for different purposes. And you can observe here different materials are prepared here. First and most important one is the chassis. Chassis is an aluminum plate. We have selected this further. It is a less weight and more strength. And next one is the cabin. For this cabin, we have used GA sheet. It is a less weight and less cost. And we have used different models for different purposes. For here we are used mechanical lifting station. Lifting station we use different motors. Only RPM motors. And remaining motor we have used torque motors. For the weight purpose, lifting like that. And remaining the advantage application, our friend will explain.
Now the application for this robotic goes like, you can use it in various places like malls, restaurants, and like small institutes, where this is a very small occupying space robo, and it is not interrupting into other people's work. So we have some advantages and disadvantages with this. The advantages are it is a very low economical and eco-friendly kind of a robot, and this is very low cost, very cheap compared to the rest of the robo vacuum cleaner. And the disadvantages are that it has a power supply which is in a limited time, and you can't use any other. And another disadvantage is that you have to make sure that it is clean every time inside, so that you can dispose the previous one and then use it again and again. That's it. Thank you.